This is what I got inside the box. Actually, this is not the one I ordered. I ordered the Mo Drive, and it appears to be a some local made. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. Okay, let me take out all the stuffs. So we get a product manual. It contains the rear view camera informations, the sensor, the TV system, the lens angle, the resolution, and the shutter, as well as the IP rating. So this is the cable which comes with it. It appears to be pretty lengthy. So one point will go to the camera, the other will go to the display unit of your car. This is the power cable. This is the bit which will help you to drill the holes, basically the bumper of your car. And here what we have is the camera. So it's an 8 LED camera. The company claims it to be HD and waterproof. It is IP68, but I cannot guarantee it because it appears to be a little bit cheap in quality. This is the power cable, and this one is the signal cable. As I said, the other part will go to the display unit of your car. Now moving on to the information, what actually this camera offers is 170-degree of wide angle view. It helps you at the night because it has the 8 LED. I don't know the resolution currently, what company claims that can or cannot be come out to be true. Okay, it appears to be hard, the body appears to be firm. Let me read a product manual for you. So it supports NTSC and PAL system. As I said, the lens angle is 170-degree. It has the dynamic range. It says about minimum illuminations, electronic shutters. The power supply is a 12 volt, max power consumption is 0.5 watt, and IP rating is IP68. So this is not the one actually I ordered. I ordered the Mo Drive one, and the Flipkart has sent me the, I think, the product which I didn't order. So I can try it out. If it doesn't work, I will report it back and get it refunded. This was an unboxing video. After using, I will make a review video and I will let you know how it works out. Thank you.